In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable Assistive Touch on your iPhone. You can simply enable this touchpad of assistance on your device in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. On this page, scroll down onto the option of accessibility. Head into the section of physical and motor. Then select the first option of touch. Tap right here, then select Assistive Touch. Enable this option on. You will get the touchpad on your iPhone screen. This usually helps if your iPhone has difficulty in touching the screen. You can decide to disable it at any time. That's how easy it is to enable touchpad on your iPhone screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.